show you repair of a vinyl sofa. It's not very easy. How does it show? Yeah. I was painting this, putting some glue. I don't know. I just put some tape under it and I put super glue to glue together, and well, put painter's tape under it. It will not last for long, I guess. I was thinking I could paint the underside and put some stronger tape under, for example, or something else. Anyway, and here's another area. Not very good to show today because I was painting it today. Really need more light. Okay. I was painting. Oh, this one is finished. It's a few layers of paint over it, and then I mixed the layer with some chalk for children, red chalk to a dark paint to get the correct color. It's not perfect, but it's not so bad. Here, let's see, this is much shine. This is the same method. This is the biggest area. I was putting some fresh paint on it today, so some spots of different colors, and this is catching. This one is very crumpled, and it's not a very acceptable repair, but I don't know. It's at least much better than the big tear that used to be there. Oh no. I'll try to show this again in daylight. Maybe later. Not too much. Still shining much. Anyway, you get the idea. I guess you get the idea. What about this one? I don't know how to turn it. God damn it, I don't know how to. Shit. I cannot really see it clearly in this light. I think I need daylight to show this to you. I could not find any videos about simple home repairs on the tears of a vinyl sofa. Okay. I don't remember anything else to tell you. It took a lot of time. It was really maybe too much time.